Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 22nd of March 2019, and guys, I'm going to start today's discussion right from USD JPY. So guys, you can see we have a big drop on USD JPY today, and this is what 200forexpips.com has provided its signal early in the morning with a bearish trend from 110744 and 109681 was the target price. However, you can see that USD JPY has went down so many hours. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions today on USD JPY as per 200forex recommendations, they must have ended up with profits. Now let's talk about AUD USD. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So AUD USD with a bearish expectation from 070992 and 07021 was the target price. However, you can say that overall the pair itself kept itself in a range. However, we have seen a slight downward trend, and this is the result of this slight downward trend that AUD USD has gone down for some time. Okay, now let's talk about USD CHF. Okay, the next signal very next to the USD CHF with a bullish expectation from 099333 and 099874 is the target price. And however, you can see the market already made the bullish pattern and it satisfied the 70% of the signal. And those subscribers who have taken the buy positions, they must have collected the profit on this pair. Okay, now let's talk about the heavily satisfied pair, which is USD Canadian dollar. A clear bullish trend was supplied to the subscribers in the morning, and 1337704 was the entry and 134283 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market hit the target price few hours ago, and those subscribers who have taken the buy positions today, they must have ended with good profits. A massive trade is caught today on EUR JPY, and that's the very satisfied signal. A clear bearish trend was supplied from 1 to 6034. I'm going to take you towards the chart of EUR JPY so that we can discuss. And guys, you can see we have a big drop on this pair today, and the market has went so much down, and we have tested it, and 124671 was the target price, but market was going more down, so we have tested it further. And if you have taken the sell positions today on 200forexpips.com recommendation, then you must have ended up with profits. Okay, moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market has came into the top red boundary, like you can see that it happened with USD JPY, then scalper has given us a sell signal in the form of red arrow. That was the perfect time to sell the pair, and look, the pair has went down. And when the pair comes into the lower red boundary, and if you start that it is making the bullish pattern, then you can buy the pair, and this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, the price monitor is here to help you. When it changes its color to green, it means that needs to buy. When it changes its color to red, that means that it's giving us a sell signal, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great weekend ahead. Thank you.